Hey, what's up, guys? I was sent this faucet extender for free so I could try it out and show it to you guys and let you know what I think about it. So I did a separate video for an unboxing. This video I'm going to do the actual install in my kitchen. Just a quick look at the card that it comes with. This is an actual install instruction card. Two different sides. So this side is for a kitchen sink and the other side is for a bathroom sink. And really the main difference is just which gasket or rubber seal that you use. So I'm going to set this card down, and then it also comes with this hardware pack, again, which has your rubber seals in it. It has some Teflon and a couple, like an Allen wrench and a standard wrench to tighten up the nozzle or the extender to your faucet. And then it comes with the actual faucet extender here, which is really cool and has all these like really neat swivel options. So I'm gonna go ahead and install that. First thing, really simple. All you need to do is loosen up and take off your old aerator, which mine was fairly loose. If yours isn't loose, you might need to grab some pliers or something and get it off there. And then you also want to just check in there and make sure you have any of your old seals or anything removed, because that will cause like a blockage. And then I'm going to go ahead and then grab the extender and dump out this hardware bag that they gave me and find the washer that I need. So for the kitchen sink, I have to use this deep washer here. And it just sits very easily right down inside there. Just make sure you have it flush. You don't want to have it like tilted or anything. You want to have it flush. And then let me turn my sink a little so I can get in there. Then you want to line it up in your faucet and turn it slowly. Make sure you don't cross thread it at all. There we go. I had mine tilted a little. So get it lined up, hand tighten it a bit, and then use the wrench that they provided and grab the flats. It's like if you were tightening or loosening like a nut, it has these flats on either side, so you can easily get your wrench on it and tighten it. So tighten it good, but don't go crazy, which I tend to do. And since we have that rubber seal in there that it came with, we shouldn't need the Teflon, but we'll go ahead and try it. And if I do have a leak, then I'll take it back off and put the Teflon on it if I can't tighten it up enough to get it. But anyway, so that should be pretty much the entire install. So I'm going to show you just some of the angles and stuff because it's really cool. And it also has, you can turn this and get two different flow patterns. Okay, so maybe don't spray your whole kitchen. Be careful of that. So, but anyways, guys, that's it. Super quick, super easy install, and it's just a really cool product.